Welcome to this short video demonstrating some powerful enhancements to Siebel Open UI, implemented by the experts here at Accelsior, a New Jersey software consulting company specializing in Siebel, BI Publisher, and Oracle BI applications. My name is Duncan Large. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're going to take a look at an example of the kind of functionality that is possible to achieve in the Siebel Open UI framework. With support for Internet Explorer 8 expiring in January 2016, many organizations will be looking to deploy OpenUI in their Siebel applications in the next few months in order to stay on a supported platform. Today, however, we are not going to focus on support, and instead I'm going to demonstrate an example of the kind of exciting functionality which the Siebel OpenUI framework makes possible. Today's example is called Record Preview. What you see on the screen is Siebel 15, where I have navigated to the contact list view. Record Preview is designed to harness the flexibility of the OpenUI framework in order to improve the experience for end users. It does this by reducing the number of clicks and navigation steps that the user has to make to identify and review the key information they need in their everyday use of Siebel. So the first example I'd like to demonstrate is a preview which is activated by hovering the mouse cursor over the new Preview column which we have added to the left-hand side of the contact list applet. Once activated, the Record Preview displays to the user an overlay pop-up showing details about the contact. As I move the cursor through the list, the location of the pop-up and the details within it update automatically. The preview includes an embedded image of the contact, which has previously been uploaded to the Siebel file system as an attachment. This functionality gives users instant access to key information which can help them to quickly determine if this is the contact they are looking for before drilling into it to work with it more. For example, if there are several contacts with similar or even the same name, the preview can display other information, including a photograph, to help users distinguish between them. The preview can be configured to display other images too, such as a green, yellow, or red icon to indicate if the contact requires a phone call, or to highlight the number of currently open service requests. Without the preview functionality, users would typically need to drill into the contact record to examine its details, and then if it's not the right record, navigate back to the list to try the next one, and so on until the correct record is found. With this preview functionality, however, the user can easily just hover over the contact records in the list to see the details they need, saving a number of clicks and navigation steps. This example has been configured to display contact information within Siebel, but the Record Preview could also be deployed to other functional areas such as products, and configured to display product images when hovering over a record, similar to the Quick Look functionality used on leading retail sites such as Amazon.com. Displaying product images can be helpful for employees working with Siebel order functionality and can improve your customer's experience on Siebel self-service portals. The architecture is very flexible and can be configured to display any information particular to your organization's needs. And the information in the preview applet does not need to come from within Siebel. It can be sourced from external systems too. The second example I would like to demonstrate is a more advanced record preview. This time, instead of simply hovering over the preview icon, I can click on it. So what happens next? When I click on the preview icon for a particular account record, the background fades and I'm presented with a floating preview applet showing key information that is related to the account. Since we are working with accounts, the preview has been configured to display opportunities, contacts, and activities. But again, the module can be configured to include any kind of related information about the account from any source. With Record Preview, I am quickly and easily able to examine the details of an account record to ensure that I am working with the right account, to check the status of my current opportunities, to verify that I have the correct phone number for the IT director, or to review the latest activity at this account. If I want to see more detail for any of the child records, the preview can easily be configured with hyperlink capability, so that I can drill into an opportunity record, quickly review the details before returning to the account list to continue my work. Record Preview can be deployed to any list or form applet in the Siebel application, and although today's demonstration is in Siebel 15, The functionality can be developed in any version of Siebel which supports the OpenUI framework. So in conclusion, the flexibility of the Siebel OpenUI framework makes new functionality like the record preview possible, a simple yet powerful usability enhancement that will reduce clicks and navigation steps and make for happier users. With Microsoft retiring Internet Explorer 8 in January 2016, many organizations are either planning to deploy OpenUI or have already done so. At Accelsior, we strongly recommend that customers should take advantage of the flexibility that OpenUI provides, so contact us today and talk with one of our Siebel experts to find out how we can help make your OpenUI deployment a success for you and your organization. I'm Duncan Large, and thanks again for joining us today.